What's up everyone? Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, my name's Maya.
If I like it, then that's what I get. Yeah. I want it, I got it, I want it.
In today's video, we are packing and cleaning to go home. I'm going home for the first time in August, September, October, November. I totally can't count. Okay, sorry guys. I think it's like 4 months. They thought I was gonna say 6 months because 6 months is more clickable, but okay, first time we're going home in like 4 months. And yeah, I'm pretty excited. It's gonna be a little bit longer period of a time, so I do need to pack lots of clothes, but we're gonna pack like chill clothes. I'm not bringing, actually I might bring one pair of jeans, but like I'm gonna try to not bring too much like nice clothes. I mean, maybe I should though, because what if we go out? I don't know. Basically, we're gonna figure it all out right now and do a little bit of cleaning, and yeah, that's it. Okay, let's get into it. Oh wait, I feel like I need to give background. If this is your first video that you're watching from me, you probably don't know. I live in Washington, D.C. I go to Howard University, but I'm going home. I live in New York, so don't live there. My parents live there. My brother and I live here, so we're just doing a whole little, going home a little bit, gonna hang out. But okay, now we can get into the video. Okay, so I just finished doing laundry, as you can see right behind me, and I haven't put it away yet because I think majority of this is probably gonna come home with me. My attire is sweatpants and a sweatshirt most days, but like I was saying before, if I go out or something, or like some plans arise or whatever, I probably am not gonna want to be in sweatpants and a sweatshirt, so I guess I'll bring like 1 or 2 like nicer outfits or things I can like match with. I don't know what's at home as far as my clothes go, so I can't really rely on that, so we're gonna pack a whole bunch of stuff. So I think I'm gonna pack in like a duffel bag that I have, but then I have to bring a backpack too, just because I like having backpacks. So I'm gonna bring my super dry backpack. It's pretty like beat up. Like this is for sure like my travel backpack. Like I'll just throw everything in there, whatever. And then I have this big Michael Kors duffel thing that I won actually. And then we have a little duffel inside. I'll just pull both of them out just because I guess we never know how much I'll need. So yeah, I mean, I'll start with the big one, and then if I have, or do I start with the little one? Guys, I don't know. It's always me packing home to go somewhere for a short period of time, never me packing to go home for a short period of time. Because even like in college, I only came home for Christmas, and then my last time coming home was when COVID happened. So I had only packed for like long periods of time. I never really packed for like a short trip. So I don't know, but yeah, I guess we'll use the big one. So I guess I'm just gonna go through these clothes, and then whatever I end up thinking I should bring, I'll put away. And then whatever I don't wanna bring, I'll like put to the side to put away later. Also, I have more laundry going, so if you guys hear like the vibrating in the back, that's what that is. But okay, we can start. This is gonna take a little bit of time, so. What is this? Definitely want this. I love this sweatshirt. So something that I have been so obsessed with recently, and if you guys have seen any of my recent videos, if you guys listen to my podcast, literally anything, you would know how obsessed I've been with Harry Potter, and to be more specific, Draco Malfoy. It's like really bad, guys. Like, I made a TikTok about him. Actually, I've made like several TikToks about him, and my most recent TikTok, maybe my best one yet, there really isn't too much work that was put into it, but I feel like it's really funny. I'll show you guys that TikTok in a second, but like, guys, it's bad, like really bad. Can you guys comment down below if you like him, or like what your vibe is as far as Harry Potter goes? You know, do you like it, do you not like it? Like, I'm so interested to know. I know it was like so long ago, but I only just recently got into it, and reading the books and all that, it just makes me so immersed in it. Oh my god, I'm sorry guys. I promise one day I'll shut up about Harry Potter. Probably not today or tomorrow or the next day, but like soon. So here's my TikTok.
I love Draco Malfoy so much, it genuinely is a problem. Like, I love him more than any other character. Like, I would give my life to him. If there was a bullet headed for his head, I would deadass jump in front of it, because homeboy deserves the world. Like, I cry over him all the time. All I want in life is, I love Draco.
And I was not over exaggerating. I literally feel that way. Like, I love this boy. I love him so much. Okay, I'm gonna go back to packing, and I'm probably gonna play some like Harry Potter or something music in the background. I don't know. But yeah, let me go pack. Alright, so we have moved on into the closet, and yes, if you were wondering, my closet is still organized from that closet clean out video I did a few weeks ago. There isn't too much I think I need from here, except for like the cuter outfits. I think I'm gonna bring like 2 or 3 nicer ones. And then I guess I could pull out a few more sweatshirts. Also, I feel like I should bring a bigger coat home because I don't know what the weather is in New York. I have to bring this home. Duh. Okay, I've actually decided to look up the weather real quick at home just because I'm thinking about bringing Uggs, but like, are Uggs really a bad idea? Because like, for example, right now where I live, it is 77 degrees. Like, that is not weather to be wearing Uggs. So let's just check at home what it's looking like. 66 degrees, 10-day forecast. Okay, yeah, so it's gonna get all the way down to almost 50 degrees while I'm there. So we're bringing Uggs and pants, and yeah. Okay, well, I'm glad I looked because I was for sure not gonna bring it, but all right, great. Okay, so I've pulled lots of clothes, probably way more than I actually need, but this is all like lounge stuff. And then over here, I just did like 3 pairs of pants, 2 pairs of shirts, a lot of things that I could just like mix and match with so that, you know, nothing's like outfit repeated. But I also don't think I'm gonna go out that much, but you know, better to be safe than sorry. Also, I don't know if I said this already, but I definitely don't need all this. But it's okay, I'm gonna bring it anyway because, you know, we overpack, that's what we do. And this is almost already full, so yeah, I guess we'll just go through this. I'm really nervous to leave things here and then have to like buy them there, just because like I hate spending like extra money when I don't have to. But I do have a feeling I'm already gonna have to go to the mall and pick up some like sports bras, like more like comfortable sports bras, because I don't know where any of mine are, and I don't think they're at home either. So, well, this is my home. I don't think they're at my house in New York, so. All right, so now out of these piles, I actually think I'm gonna separate like things that I definitely need to bring home and then things that like could maybe stay, but like I do still wanna bring them, just because I feel like this is kind of a lot. And I know I keep saying like it's fine to bring so much, but then at the same time, I don't wanna have to worry if like I lose it. Not lose it at home, if I forget it at home or bringing it back. Like I feel like it'll just be easier to bring what I need. I don't know, I'm at such a crossroads because I literally just contradicted myself. If I buy it and keep it there, I can just leave it there, right? Like socks and stuff. I don't know. We'll see. I'm going a little bit crazy, but like things like this definitely bringing just like plain sweatshirts, but then like a Disney zip up, like I don't really need this. Like I can just, like I don't need that, for real, for real. I just thought it would be fun to have at home because, you know, at home is like all Disney and whatever, my family loves it, so. Going through a crossroad because I think I want to wear these like in the car, you know, like as I'm going home, but I don't think, like what if when the time comes to leave I don't remember to bring, oh my god, jewelry, I have to pack jewelry. Guys, this is how many thoughts are running through my mind right now. Like, oh, I remember the pants, oh no, oh my god, I have to pack jewelry too, oh my god, my bags, oh my god, shoes, oh my god. Okay, I feel like I'm just freaking out for no reason. I think I'm just like anxious about going home and not having all my things like accessible. I think that's the problem. Also, yeah, I just haven't been home in a really long time, so I don't really know what I'm gonna do. Also, finally get to go drive again, so stay tuned for like a drive with me or something, but okay. I'm stressing for no reason. Let me just relax, and I don't think this can close, but no. Okay, let's keep going. In the time that I've been like organizing and doing whatever I've been doing, I've been watching CinemaSins. If you guys don't know what CinemaSins, it's pretty much just like this YouTube account that will like critique movies. And as you guys, I'm sure you know, the ones that I'm watching right now, Harry Potter. So I've been watching the CinemaSins critiquing Harry Potter. I just think it's funny because I have my own opinion on the movie. Also, if you don't know, I study TV and film production as my major. Like, that's what my degree is going to be in. So I really enjoy, like, thoroughly enjoy reviewing movies and watching them and just, like, seeing all the, like, little special effects and all that type of stuff. So, yeah, I like CinemaSins. I like watching behind the scenes. If you guys ever see anything, like, Harry Potter themed, also Hunger Games, Twilight, all those like basic movies. I don't call them basic, but you know, I feel like those are everyone's like top 3. Divergent, I mean, everyone loves those. Okay, but what I was saying, if you guys ever see like funny like edits or like behind the scene videos, like send them to me, DM them to me, because I want to watch. And I probably have maybe watched it already, but I'm still interested to watch it. So yeah, I mean, should I title this video like Pack With Me as I talk about how much I love Harry Potter? Like, I really feel like it's taken over my channel. It's definitely taken over my TikTok. There's a lot of accounts that follow me on TikTok, but I'm pretty sure think that I am a Harry Potter TikTok account, which I'm here to say I'm not, but I won't be mad at it if they think I am. So for jewelry, one thing that I have to bring home is this watch. I actually got it for my birthday. It is so pretty, exactly what I wanted, what I asked for, but it didn't fit, and then we took out too many links and I wasn't there to like size it, so now it's way too small. So I'm gonna take this home and go to the jeweler and have them add the link back. I'm probably gonna bring these earrings that I'm wearing right here. I'm gonna bring all my bracelets, of course, always have to wear those. All my rings, of course. I think that's all I should bring, right? I could bring these paperclip earrings, but I don't think I'm gonna. Oh, I was like, oh my god, I don't have a bag to put it in, but I'm gonna put it in my little Louis Vuitton bag that this bracelet actually came in. Well guys, I actually think this is everything. Just gotta zip this up, and yeah, that's it. Okay, so I still do need to pack those shoes and pack the backpack. So this is not like 100% every single thing I'm bringing, but I am leaving like tomorrow night, so I think I should wait to pack those till I leave, because that's gonna be like my essentials, like my laptop, charger, water bottle, like that type of stuff. But this is like the majority of my clothes that are now packed and good to go. Yay! All right, everyone. Well, that was my packing. Yeah, I feel like maybe I forgot something, maybe I didn't. Obviously I didn't pack like my toothbrush and all my underwear and things like that yet. I'll do that right before I leave, but stay tuned for my next video. That's gonna be a travel vlog going home, and then yeah, the next couple week of videos will be all at my house and at home and in New York, and I got to show you guys what my life is like there. Like I said, a drive with me. I'm so excited for the drive with me because I've not driven a car since August, so yay. Okay, but that is going to be the end of this. All my socials will be right here on the screen, as well as in the description box down below. I post every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday at 12 o'clock. And make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss any more videos, because the ones coming are very good. Okay, bye guys.